taking out the surrounding cement block structure that held it up, and then having a couple of big long beams that they attach a set of movable wheels on a dolly at the end, and putting the other end on the back of a truck, basically turning it into a giant trailer truck.
Oh, moving it. Oh, man. Can't believe it.
We fretted about the move for a really long time, but when the day came to move it, everything went very smoothly, and all of the things we worried about didn't materialize. The structure held together just fine.
Not that the move didn't have its nerve-wracking moments. The whole contraption got stuck in the mud almost immediately and had to be pulled out by a bulldozer. There was an unexpected delay.